My dear friends on my YouTube channel, very good morning. Have a good life. Do good and have good. I welcome you, all of you, on my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to tell you a new information about the beekeeping, which is very new technique in India. A very few farmer knows this thing, which is I am going to tell you. Beekeeping. Beekeeping is a very good profession, and the student of sixth and seventh class who is in science stream knows about the beekeeping. What in the practical life there is no such achievement which Indian farmers have achieved till today. They simply know about the beekeeping and they don't know about others product which we can extract from beekeeping. It is very important. Listen this video till the end, otherwise you can slip a lot of things from this video. So it starts from the floriculture. You know, bee always eat the juice of flowers. In the garden, the apple garden, pomegranate garden, everything garden where the flowers come on the trees, bee is very important. From bee can get honey. Indian farmers, a lot of farmers knows only about the honey, and I already told you that they don't know about the other products which we can get from beekeeping. Now listen me. How we can start the farming and how we can get a lot of money from beekeeping. Listen me. First of all, we have to make the fields in which we can produce flowers, apple flowers, pomegranate flowers, the rose flowers, sarso flowers, sarso flowers, and a lot of we have the crops which give the flowers, right? Or in our garden where we already planted the plants of pomegranates and apples and others, kathal and others fruit trees. You know what we do? We bring the bee umbrella about 2000 rupees and we put there the bee and after some time we take out the honey from that and eat only this thing. No, bee venom, bee pollen, bee venom. 70 lakh rupees per liter. 70 lakh rupees per liter. Bee pollen 4 lakh per kg. All the minerals, proteins, vitamins are there in bee pollen. Now, expenditure for this farming near about 30,000, 40,000, not more than 30,000, 40,000. In 1 bigha, a farmer can do this thing. First start from floriculture, then put bee umbrellas in that, then take honey, bee venom, bee pollen, and from the umbrella of bee, what we can get? The moam, we can make the toys, we can make the pans, we can make what the things we can do, and we can start it from our home. A small scale industry, agriculture industry, right? So, my information about the beekeeping, if you understand it, then like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. That is why you can get the more informations about the which I share. Now I have started only the things of about the trees, and after when I will complete my this task, then I will start the educational teachings on my YouTube channel. And so please, if you are understanding my these teachings, then comment on me and share this, like this, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So beekeeping is a very great profession for the unemployed, for the educated peoples, and we get we can get a lot of money from this farming, this profession. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.